Hello friends, so we all know that we have discussed DNA replication in our last class. Just I am going back to some basic points that we have already studied in our first year syllabus that we call as central dogma of biology. We all know DNA transcribe to give RNA and RNA translate to give protein by the process of transcription and translation. Along with this, the copy of DNA is doubled by a process called DNA replication that we have discussed in our previous deliberation. So now we are moving to this part where you are getting RNA from DNA molecule by the process of transcription. So to be more precise, this RNA is our mRNA, that is messenger RNA. That means you should know where does this transcription process occurs. So if this is a cell, we have a nucleus for eukaryotic cells. DNA is always present inside the nucleus. That means if you have to have RNA from DNA, the process always must have to occur inside the nucleus, as because DNA never comes out of it. That means after production of RNA from DNA in your nucleus, this cannot stay here because the further process of translation has to occur somewhere else. The site of translation is the cytoplasm. Why so? Because in the cytoplasm we have the protein synthesizing machinery, that is our ribosomes. That is why the RNA processed by the process of transcription must have to come out of the nucleus for the process of translation. So in this video we are not going to deal with translation, but we have to know transcription. So remember that we are going to have the RNA initially produced in the nucleus, then will be processed something, and after processing it will come out of the nucleus and something will happen in the cytoplasm. So for transcription to occur or transcription to know, we should have a stretch of DNA, and in that DNA we are dealing with basically the gene part. So I already mentioned that the sequence of nucleotide in a DNA cannot be gene. That means only those parts can be a gene which is giving me a functional protein by an intermediate of RNA. So this gene, I am elaborating that gene in a more detailed way, that the most important part is our structural gene. That means, suppose for that thing you imagine that suppose we are considering the eye color or curliness of your hair, that gene is your structural gene, and that is always preceded by a promoter, and at the end you will always have a terminator sequence. So what is there in this promoter sequence, what is there in the terminator sequence, these are equally important along with structural gene. So in the promoter sequence, suppose I am analyzing the promoter in detail. Suppose this point is this reference point here in this line. So here we assign a numerical number like this, -1, -1, -2, -3, -4, +1, +2, +3, such like this. So this point where the structural gene starts with the first nucleotide, this is our +1 sequence. Next it is +2. That means if we go just before the structural gene, we will get the promoter sequence like this. So in this promoter sequence, there are two very much significant sites that we call as -10 and -35. Suppose at this position this is -10, and suppose this one is -35. So in the -10 sequence, this is known as Tata box. The sequence here is called as TA AT. And minus 35, it is, the sequence here is TTGACA. So these are called as consensus sequence. The term consensus means that if we study a huge amount of genes for the promoter, in most of the cases we are going to find these two in maximum cases. That term is for consensus. That means if you are having 100 sequences, you will having 90 or above sequences having minus 10 and minus 35, like these two, TAGA80 and TTGAC. These two sequences are pretty much important for the transcription process to start. So for replication, we studied some enzymes. Here also we are having some significant enzymes that we call as RNA polymerase. Here a critical question can be arise in case of your competitive exams. Suppose you can relate this concept to DNA polymerase. See what is the significant point? Polymerase means you are making something a bigger prospect. That means monomeric units when joined, we get the polymer. So if we need the polymerase enzyme, that means it is going to make the polymer. If it is DNA polymerase, that means it is synthesizing DNA. And where we can synthesize DNA? From DNA itself. So in your competitive exam, this DNA polymerase can be also said as DNA dependent RNA polymerase. This is called as, DNA dependent DNA polymerase. I'm really sorry. DNA dependent DNA polymerase. That means we are synthesizing DNA depending upon a DNA segment. That is what we studied last class. This is DNA, and taking this DNA as template, we synthesize two new strands, DNA dependent DNA polymerase. Now we are going to study if these are the DNA strands, we are going to produce RNA. So the enzyme is RNA polymerase, and it is dependent upon what? DNA. So it will be DNA dependent RNA polymerase. So DNA dependent RNA polymerase, DNA dependent DNA polymerase. Another prospect we are going to deal with another chapter, but we can synthesize DNA from RNA in a reverse way. That we also studied in first year class. This process of production of DNA from RNA is done by an enzyme, reverse transcriptase. Reverse transcriptase. And the process is reverse transcription. That means if this is transcription, this is the reverse of transcription. That is why the enzyme is reverse transcriptase. As you all know, আমি সবাই জানো, যদি কোনবার A আছে শেষ হইছে, that is our enzyme. So the process of production of DNA from RNA is the process of reverse transcription, and the enzyme is reverse transcriptase, and most specifically it is produced, we are going to produce cDNA, that is complementary DNA. What is complementary DNA? We are going to look at something somewhere else in detail. But now here the point regarding this one is that this enzyme, we are producing what? DNA. So enzyme will be DNA polymerase. It is DNA polymerase, but it is producing DNA basing upon what? RNA. So this is RNA dependent DNA polymerase. So don't make the mistake. One is DNA dependent RNA polymerase, DNA dependent DNA polymerase. This one is RNA dependent DNA polymerase. So you have to consider on basing of what you are producing what. Producing what? Ki production korisu etu amar polymerase hobo aru tar upor base kori pelai he production korisu, that is our dependent factor. So you remember this all enzymes in your for your competitive exams. But again coming back to our prospect now, that is RNA polymerase. So RNA polymerase is a complex enzyme. Tale bahut ta sub unit ase, duta alpha sub unit ase, beta prime ta sub unit ase, omega sub unit ase, and there is sigma factor. This is one of the most important factor, sigma factor. So this beta prime are catalytic sites. Alpha sabone bitai jitu RNA polymerase enzyme ta assemble kore rakhe aru RNA polymerase enzyme to keneba, this is called core enzyme. That means it main part. Eta subsidiary ke sigma factor ko attach kore thake. So alpha ki kore ei gutekini assemble kore rakhe aru omega as a whole gutei subunit bitak ekelog kore rakhe aru sigma factor e ki kore in detail sami dia kotha. So suppose এটা DNA ইয়ার একটা ট্রান্সক্রিপশন হ'ব লাগে তাহলে এটা আমাৰ এটা জিন তাৰপৰ আমি mRNA পাব লাগে এটা সেলৰ ভিতৰত এনেকুৱা ষ্ট্ৰাকচাৰাল জিনটো এগাল আছে সো তাহাৰ মাজত সেই মুহূৰ্তত কাৰ ট্ৰান্সক্ৰিপশন হৈ পেলাই mRNA লাগে সেই বস্তুটো ডিসাইড কৰিব this sigma factor present in the RNA polymerase enzyme. What this can do, a sigma factor e promoter -10 or -35 that we already studied, hey sequence with the sigma factor recognize koribo pare mane this have an affinity for -10 and -35 sequence at the promoter. So this, if my hand is the RNA polymerase enzyme, this sigma factor, suppose this finger is my sigma factor, tar in the sequence or upor affinity ase ki ani pele RNA polymerase eta bahabo prothomete ki hobo, suppose I am enlarging the promoter now jete bahabo initially in between these two sequences duta nucleotide RNA polymerase eta anibo keneke anibo, it will be complementary in nature. Suppose yate G ase yate T ase jodi yate G ase ate complementary amar ki nucleotide ahibo, you all know this will be C. If it is thymine here, if it is thymine in the DNA sequence, it will be adenine in the RNA sequence. Duta nucleotide jete anibo tar majot phosphodiester bond form korabo this RNA polymerase enzyme. How phosphodiester bond is being formed, ami ei kotha first year syllabus or pora jano. Etia ei duta bond ei dutar majot phosphodiester bond form korar pisot ketiaba ki hoy, it always tries to fill up at least 10 nucleotides in this stretch. Jodi 10 nucleotide bahabo noare gutei stretch, suppose 8 ta man bahale তাহলে কি হয় এই গুটেইটো কেতিয়াবা DNA segmentor পৰা পৰি যায়. This is called abortive initiation. That means he start কৰিব নোৱাৰিলে. But যদি by chance at least কেতিয়াবা এবাৰ ফেল হয় দুবাৰ তিনিবাৰ ট্ৰাই কৰাৰ পিছত সি সাকসেস পাই যায়. যেতিয়া 10টা নিউক্লিওটাইড এক্সিড কৰি যায় এটাৰ পিছত এটা নিউক্লিওটাইড বহাই পেলাই ফসফোডাইএস্টাৰ বন্ড ফৰ্ম কৰি পেলাই 10টা নিউক্লিওটাইড এক্সিড কৰি যায় তেতিয়া আমাৰ promoter sequence of যেটো আমাৰ initiation process to almost end of ফলে আহে. That means main কথাটো হল যে যেতিয়া 10টা নিউক্লিওটাইড সিকোয়েন্স এতে কি বহাব পাৰিব তাৰ পিছত অটোমেটিক্যালি নিউক্লিওটাইড সিকোয়েন্স বহাই পেলাই promoter will enter into the structural gene. যেতিয়া structural gene সোমাব, it is simple as that. যে ইয়াতে যি আমাৰ নিউক্লিওটাইড আছে তাৰ কমপ্লিমেন্টারি বেস পেয়ারিং নিউক্লিওটাইড আনি পেলাই RNA polymerase enzyme নিউক্লিওটাইড এটাৰ পিছত এটা জয়েন কৰি গৈ থাকিব. এই জয়েন কৰা সিস্টেমটো exactly similar compared to DNA replication we studied, or what happens here, that means the bond of phosphodiester bond. So phosphodiester bond. So I don't think phosphodiester bond keneke form kore ami etia second year poribo lagibo, because first year copy khon milile tomaloke bhalke ei bostulu pai jaba. Then this is the promoter sequence of keneke hol, structural gene keneke hol. Last, very important, how transcription ends in the terminator sequence. That means suppose our gene to main gene to transcribe হৈ গল এতিয়া সেই gene to আৰু ইয়াতে continuously transcribe হৈ থাকিব নালাগে because ইয়াৰ পিছত কি বেলেগ gene থাকিব পাৰে সেইটো transcription আমাক এই মুহূৰ্তত নালাগে so তাৰ কাৰণে terminator sequence comes into play terminator sequence of দুটা system of termination হয় one is row dependent one is row independent so row dependent and row independent কথাটো কেনেকুৱা row dependent is like molecular scissor so scissor আমি জানো কেচি molecular scissor মানে যিবিলাক scissor DNA RNA সেইবিলাক molecule cleave কৰাত সহায় কৰে those we call as molecular scissor so suppose this was our gene of interest ইয়াৰ transcription হৈ পেলাই RNA molecule এনেকা ওলাই আহি গৈ থাকিব that means ইয়াৰ আগৰ scenario যদি মই আকো suppose this were DNA in all stretch of DNA that synthesis হৈ গ'ল যেতিয়া কমপ্লিমেন্টাৰী ফৰ্ম কৰি গৈ থাকিলে যিখিনি হৈ গ'ল সেই পাৰ্টটো এনেকে ওলাই আহি গৈ থাকিব and যিটো পাৰ্ট অফ এতিয়া টাৰ্মিনেশনৰ ফালে গৈ আছে সেইটো সাইডে from this end that is our 5 prime end তাৰ পৰা এটা molecular scissor that is our row factor এ গৈ পেলাই চাব okay this is our termination ইয়াৰ পিছত আমাৰ structural gene নাই it will cleave the sequence here and finally the whole sequence will be coming out of your DNA this is very much simple that is row dependent but in case of row independent suppose row factor is not present at the moment what happens there so the sequence is itself very smart what it does suppose this was our DNA এখিনি লেকে তার synthesis হৈ গল যত আমাৰ terminator sequence আৰম্ভ হৈছে কি তাৰ sequence টো এনেকুৱা প্যাটাৰ্ণত ৰাখিব এনেকুৱা প্যাটাৰ্ণ মানে suppose this was adenine this is guanine cytosine again guanine if this is guanine this will be complementary showing to C it will be G it will be C if it is adenine it is not thymine don't make the mistake again from your first year syllabus that RNA কেতিয়াও thymine না থাকে কি থাকিব thymine এর জায়গা uracil থাকিব so this is called hairpin loop RNA strandal তার টার্মিনেটৰ ফলে এনেকুৱা কিছুমান সিকোয়েন্স থাকিব যাৰ কমপ্লিমেন্টাৰী বেস পেয়াৰিং DNA ৰ লগত নহয় তাৰ নিজৰ স্ট্ৰাকচাৰৰ লগতে বেছি হ'ব সো আগলৈকে কি হৈছিল সাপোজ ইয়াতে এডিনিন আছিল ইয়াতে কি আছিল ইউৰাসিল আছিল তাৰ ফলত কি আছিল যে ইয়াতে ডাবল বন্ড আছিল তাৰ ফলত DNA আৰু RNA এটা হাইব্রিড ফর্ম হৈ আছিল বাট টার্মিনেটৰ সিকোয়েন্সৰ ফলে RNA ডালে নিজৰ লগতে কমপ্লিমেন্টাৰী বেস পেয়াৰিং ফর্ম কৰিব যাৰ ফলত এই স্ট্ৰাকচাৰ এইখিনি স্ট্ৰাকচাৰ RNA ৰ লগত DNA ইন্টাৰেকশন কমি যাব so যেতিয়া RNA আৰু DNA ইন্টাৰেকশন কমি যাব কি নিজৰ মাজতে যেতিয়া হাইড্ৰোজেন বন্ড বিলাক ফর্ম কৰা স্টার্ট কৰিব then this molecule will cleave out of the DNA molecule and this will the end of your transcription process structural promoter কেনেকুৱা হয় structural কেনেকুৱা হয় and finally terminator দুটা factor কেনেকৈ termination হয় this is the most important things another basic thing you always remember the central dogma of biology ma ako it describe nokoro but every time because first year syllabus ote ei bostu ase hekarone ma eta ako dekha describe nokoro but you always remember these factors and the enzymes responsible in this process for starting the transcription process transcription of modification kismanu ase that will be another video will be uploaded in the next class. Thank you.